Hello, beautiful community. This week I've got the flu, so I might sound a bit stuffy or deep in the voice, but I'm getting over it, so I should be fine in the next day or two. I thought I'd just show you a video of a plate that I made out of elm, and I inserted a couple of slivers of wood. One was silky oak, the other one was red cedar. I got them in Queensland some years ago. So I made quite a few plates like this last year for the boss. She normally gives me a list. I think I've mentioned it before, how she gives me a list at the start of the year for presents that she can give out to her friends and fellow workmates at the end of the year. And of course I've got 12 months to do it, and normally I wait till about October and November, and then I panic and I spend a fair bit of time trying to get them finished. Last year I was pretty good. I think I've done most of them mid-year. I think at the end of the year I had one or two that I needed to do fairly quickly, so I was fairly well on top of it last year. So over the years I've done plates, then I did pencil boxes, bowls, Christmas bells. What else did I do? I think pens at one stage, a couple of vases. And of course we're into April now, and I haven't got that list from the boss as to what she wants and how many she wants. And we've already finished one term of school, so I started to panic today, and I better ask her tonight if I get a chance. She normally gets about 20 different items, so I'll need to get onto it fairly quickly. I'm not really sure what she wants this year, and if you've got any ideas, leave a comment as to what you think I should be making for the boss's Christmas presents for this year. So I know it's April, but by the time I get organised and I start doing it, in amongst all the other things, it does take a little while to get going, so I'll better start shortly. So as I said, if you've got any ideas, leave a comment. Otherwise I shall let you know in the next video what I'm doing. So this one was quite an easy one. Once I joined the wood together, I mainly used a 1/2 inch spindle gouge, and of course I sharpened it a couple of times just to get it finished nicely, and then at the end I used a coat of tung oil, and the tung oil certainly brought the grain out. It looked absolutely delicious. So that's nearly the end of the elm wood that I've got. I got the elm off Margaret, who's a farmer just out the road, and I had it slabbed up into about 30mm thick slabs, so it was only a small bit of wood, but I've used it on quite a few of the bowls and plates that the boss wanted. It's a nice soft wood and comes up beautiful once you put a coat of oil on it. So I'll have to start looking around for some more elm or something similar to that. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you next time. Cheerio.